everybody, my name is Kim. I am KRO Designs on Instagram and Twitter. And if you're first time seeing me here on my channel, just to let you know, I do all things planner related. K&Co, XOXO, the owner of the shop, Kelly, she has a very chic planner accessory store on Etsy, has decided to put together her first design team, and I was asked to join in with some wonderful, fabulous other ladies. And she sent me a design team package that I cannot wait to open. I thought you'd like to join me. The only thing I did was slit the front, and I did put some white sticker paper on top for privacy reasons. But other than that, I'm very excited to see what's inside. Join me. Oh, she wrote a personal note. Kim, I'm so excited to have you on the team. I just love your bold, bright style. I can't wait to see what you do. I hope you love your goodies. If you need anything, please let me know, Kelly. Oh, Kelly, thank you so much for this sweet note. I mean, how often does anyone write you a handwritten thank you? But no, thank you, Kelly, for letting me enjoy your goodies and show the world what wonderful style you have. Let's get to opening. I can't wait. All right, so I've been buying, just as a side note, I've been buying from her for years, and she always has this very chic packaging with the black ribbon and the black and white polka dots. So let's go ahead and see what's in. I love opening packages, especially with such beauty inside. This is a planner clip. This planner clip has a gold alligator clasp along with this glitter bow center part here. And the name of this ribbon is grosgrain. It's a wonderful textured ribbon, as you can see, and for years and years I have had her designs, and none of them have ever frayed on the edges. She cuts them with such preciseness. I don't know how she does it, but it's just lovely. And what a chic planner accessory. Sometimes I put them on the elastic that goes around the traveler's notebook, not just on the spine, so it just depends on my mood. What beauty. Ooh, this one is lilac. Again, grosgrain ribbon, which is the stripes there, with the gold center and the gold clasp. Here's another clip. This one is pink. It may go by as blush in her Etsy store, but again, it is a wonderfully made. Look how precise she is with even the back. She's so detailed. Again, with the bird's wing tip. Oh, this one is blush. Again, all of these neutral colors here that you see are all part of her brand new spring collection of 2018. Ooh, the peach. Again, with a glittered center. And these are all of the clips that I've shown you so far. They are on the large planner clips. I'll get to showing those, what I have in my dish on the side later. She has a few sizes of planner clips that are just plain. And I do use them quite a lot. Ooh, this one is velvet. This one is a purple velvet. Such texture and preciseness when she puts them together. Very detailed. Ooh, Aqua. Again, grosgrain ribbon, Aqua. Beautiful color. Here's a pink as well. Also might be as blush. I'm not sure what she labeled them as in her store, but it's beautiful nonetheless. Oh, a matching clip. So now I have matchy-matchy. This wonderful gold and grosgrain ribbon black. Stunning. This is a Cabachon. I have a black one. This is in a mum. This, I'll show you. Let me get this out. Where is it? Oh, here it is. And this is a mum, and that's obviously Rose, but this is brand new from her spring collection. And I like how low profile it is, with some black felt on the back for security and some non-scratching. And this, I believe, is for a mini clip. As you can see, I'm going to hold up this one for comparison. It is on a smaller clip. For smaller traveler's notebooks, this makes complete sense. Beautiful. Oh, here's the washi tape she sells in her store. It is black and white polka dot. Like I said, black and white polka dot. This looks to be like a 7mm. Might be 10. Thank you. Ooh. I think we got hooked up here. Oh, how adorable. This blush one. Again, with matching felt on the back. For security reasons. I'm running out of space with my lovely... Here's a white. And here are the mini clips. As I was saying earlier, different sizes. So here's a larger size and here's a smaller size. And I do appreciate that her packaging comes with sealed tops. So all I have to do is remove the staple in the packaging and I can store them just as is right there. Thank you so much for joining me on my first unboxing of Kelly's brand new spring line, along with some fabulous staples that I know will work in your collection. If you want to save 15%, go ahead and use the coupon code KIM15 to save 15% off of any $10 or larger order. Thanks again for stopping. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.